처음입니다.
This is sold by Kim-Young-Im Jeukseok Banchan, located in Haengdangdong, Seoul. Before cooking, wash your hands. It contains every ingredient needed for cooking Budae-jjigae. You just need water 900 milliliters. If you don't have any utensils for water measurement, use paper cups. 6 cups are about 900. Your pot should be big enough for over 2 kilograms. First, pour water. Assemble all the ingredients into a pot. I recommend putting leek, rice cakes, and cheese later. This isn't essential, but it looks and tastes better. Now, bring to a boil. Allow to cook for 15 minutes or more. Time depends on the type of burner. I cooked on a portable burner. It took 18 minutes to cook complete. Add instant ramen noodles at last. Noodles are optional. Finish the stew with the lid off. Enjoy it.